Okay, so first open the email that I sent you. It should look something like this. If you go down, you'll see 6 attachments. The first 5 documents are the 5 packets of homework or credits for your first class. And then the last one is a document called resources. In this document, you'll find the website for the Holt McDougall online website. It says username and password. So here you can find the math, science, English, US Word, history textbooks. And then there's a video tutorial to watch just to follow the step-by-step. If you click that video tutorial, it will take you to another window and you can just play it. Now, I go back to my credits. I click on the first one, for example. You will have to click on the 5 credits so you can download them. On your right corner, you'll see an option that says download. So click there. At the bottom, you'll see how the document has been downloaded. You click there and it should take you to another window where you'll be able to open the credit. So scroll down and you see these are little squares, grayish, bluish, where you can just type your answer. I'll type my name, for example, Stephanie Lopez. You don't need to write anything else there. And if you keep scrolling down, you'll get to credit 1 or unit first is tools for geometry. You can skip that first page, and then here just a reminder that you'll find in your packet of homework the number of the lesson. So you'll find different numbers of lessons that you will have to go to your textbook and find, not the module, not the unit, but the lesson, the number of the lesson. Keep scrolling down until you get to the lesson 1.1, segment length and midpoints. Okay, so now I am going to show you how to get access to your textbook. Now go to your email account, exit this window, and go to the resources document I showed you before. Click on the website, so username and password. And when you log in, if you're taking geometry, you need to look for HMHCC geometry. If you're taking algebra, it should be algebra 1 or algebra 2. Okay, so I click on geometry and I go to interactive student edition. Now click on Interactive Student Edition. You find Unit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we're now looking for Lesson 1.1. So I will go to my Unit 1. Right there we have Module 1. Click there and you find on your right all the lessons. So in this case, I'm looking for segment length and midpoint. So right here, if you click up here, you'll find all the parts of that lesson. So you can go to Explore Concept 1 and then it should explain you the basic definitions that you are going to use on the first lesson. It should also give you all the concepts following that in the lesson. So for example, if I go to my packet of homework, right here it says explore. It's exploring basic geometry terms. So I go to my textbook now, right? Go to this little button here and it says explore concept 1 exploring basic geometry terms, which is what I just read here on my homework. So then I will go ahead and read all this in order to answer every of these questions. Now again, these little squares where you can type your answer, you can type any number, you can type any letter. So the answers should be written right here, but all the work that took you to get to the answer should be on a separate sheet of paper. Okay, at the end of every credit, I would ask for random pages just to prove that you actually did all of your work. Okay, we can scroll down just for one more example. It says explain 1, constructing a copy of a line segment. So I'll go to my textbook and look for that a specific section. In this case, I find it under explain, concept 2, constructing a copy of a line segment. I click and it should give you all the information. So if you see here, there's a little play button. If you click that, it should appear you like a video or a recording explaining you how to do each of the problems.